Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about, whether or not you can use YouTrip without a physical card. I know that a lot of people are interested in using YouTrip because it offers some great benefits, like low foreign exchange fees and real-time exchange rates. However, some people are hesitant to sign up for YouTrip because they don't want to have to carry around a physical card. So, can you use YouTrip without a physical card? The answer is yes. You can use the YouTrip app to make payments using your virtual card. What is YouTrip? Before I get into the details of how to use YouTrip without a physical card, let me give you a quick overview of what YouTrip is. YouTrip is a multi-currency prepaid card that allows you to spend money in foreign currencies at a low cost. You can use your YouTrip card to make purchases online, in-store, and even withdraw cash from ATMs. How to use YouTrip without a physical card. Now that you know what YouTrip is, let's talk about how to use it without a physical card. Download the YouTrip app. The first thing you need to do is download the YouTrip app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and phone number. Add money to your account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to add money to it. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card. Get your virtual card. Once you've added money to your account, you can get your virtual card. Your virtual card is a digital version of your physical card. You can use it to make payments online and in-store. Use your virtual card. To use your virtual card, simply open the YouTrip app and tap on the Card tab. You will then be able to see your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can use your virtual card to make payments online by entering your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can also use your virtual card to make payments in-store by using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Benefits of using YouTrip without a physical card. There are a number of benefits to using YouTrip without a physical card. It's more convenient. You don't have to worry about carrying around a physical card. It's more secure. Your virtual card is protected by the same security features as your physical card. It's more environmentally friendly. You're not using any plastic. With that said, thank you for watching.